In a year's time, if we are successful, I think we'll have real good engagement with frontline staff across Hertfordshire and Bedfordshire. We'll show innovation around how we train and educate staff, and we'll have plans that really begin to reflect the changing nature of the health service moving forward.
For me, I think the LETB will be successful if we are able to get better at putting our workforce together, understanding our flows and the work that's coming out of the quick plan to make sure we're using our whole workforce to deliver that, and we're giving opportunities for people to move between organisations and between roles in order to bring the best to our patients and our staff.
I'm really looking forward to this event that we're having today, because it will give us an opportunity to think about how we can work in partnership, how we can really look at what our communities both need in terms of education support, and really just trying to get to grips with where we are now and what we want to get from the future, and really trying to make a huge investment in education and learning for staff, delivering services to people in our communities.
I suppose I'm looking for, from this opportunity with this new structure of LETBs and workforce partnership groups, a greater sense of transparency and clarity for employing organisations like my own as to where we can access good quality training and education, and how we can use the resources and how the resources are allocated.
I think for me, the LETBs would be successful if I knew all the patients that needed end-of-life care had the best care for their carers, for themselves, that they were spoken to and respected by their carers, and that everyone who came in contact with them had that education and experience to be able to deliver that care.
Going forward, what the LETB will look like for me is, and the success for me would be that in a year's time we would now be able to look at where the changes in the workforce are happening and look to utilise those people's skills and experiences in new roles that are coming through, look to see where we can maybe train and develop them into future roles and future needs for the system.